A lot of sellers coming into the market in the last 20, 30 minutes of trading today. Deborah Kostroun is at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah, traders concerned that we didn't have any follow-through from that Friday buying. What's going on?
Well, traders saying that, we did not see the follow-through buying from Friday because they say that Europe's debt crisis likely has further to go. And also traders are saying it's more likely that we're going to see a lot more selling here because there's just too many uncertainties about Europe. And that also kind of gives us ideas and a lot of question marks about the global economic economy. So we could be in for a lot more volatility, Pimm.
All right. So, Deborah, give us the details. I mean, what kind of market groups were selling off today?
Well, mainly we saw those financials really under pressure, and in particular the banking stocks, and really kind of all related to the situation in Greece. And the news today that banks in Spain are pooling their money to form that nation's fifth largest financial group, mainly because the regulators are pushing the weak lenders to merge with the stronger partners. That certainly didn't help. Couple that with the LIBOR, which is the rate that banks pay for 3-month loans in dollars, rising above 0.5% for the first time in 10 months, mainly on concerns about the credit worthiness of financial institutions is deteriorating, and that really led to a lot of selling in those financials.
All right, Deborah, but what about for investors that are long stocks, those that have gotten stocks packed in their portfolios? Did we see any winners today? Were there any standouts?
A few winners. Apple, certainly. This was after Morgan Stanley raised its share price estimate to $310 from $275. So if Morgan Stanley is right, the stock could have some upside. Morgan Stanley thinking that Apple will see their market share gaining for the iPhone and also the iPad. I did mention the financials were lower. Citigroup but closing just slightly higher because of an upgrade at Goldman, mainly because they say a better market in a better environment for the capital markets. And then Sprint, another standout, climbing the most in 5 months. This was after Goldman raising their ratings, saying that they project fewer subscriber cancellations than in previous years, something that Sprint has really had to deal with over the past few years, and that's a lot of cancellations. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.